What do you do when your computer collapses and lots of windows start popping up left and right? You restart your computer. So it's the same with you. Whenever you're completely collapsed, you just need to take some minutes for yourself and restart your system, your body and your mind. So we're going to start right now. We're going to start with a breathing exercise. We're going to inhale through our nose into a position, hold it at the top, open the mouth very wide, and exhale very loud to the sound of HA. So it's something like this. Inhale, pause, exhale. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to start in child's pose. Sit on your heels, big toes touch, separate your knees wide and fold forward, relaxing your forehead on the floor. Your arms stretch out away from you. Take a few moments to draw your attention inward. This is your time for you only. Leave everything else outside. Close your eyes and your mouth. Let's begin with the breathing exercise. Inhale through your nose to the count of 6, filling your lungs completely. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it at the top. Open your mouth wide and slowly exhale, making an HA sound. Empty your lungs completely. Close your mouth. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Open your mouth and exhale loud and long, getting rid of all the stress. Inhale rich and deep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Exhale all the toxins out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now close your mouth and continue breathing through your nose for the rest of the practice. Okay, now come to tabletop position. Wrists under your shoulders, fingers spread wide, knees below your hips. Relax your feet down. We will do some cat-cow breathing to release tension in your spine. When you inhale, you gently arch your spine back and you look up. When you exhale, you round down your spine like an angry cat, emptying your lungs, contracting your abs, and looking at your navel. Inhale, arch your back, enjoy how good this feels, look up. Exhale, gently round down, feeling the separation between your vertebrae, stomach in. Inhale, arching your back, look up. Exhale, slowly release all the air out through your nose, rounding your spine as much as you can. Inhale, arch back, look up, take one more sip of air. Exhale, slowly round down, stomach in, and come to neutral position. Now come to sitting with your legs crossed. Try to keep your back straight. Now take your hands to your shoulders and circle your arms, bending your elbows, releasing tension in your shoulders and cervical spine and opening up your chest. Now interlock your fingers, taking your elbows to the sides, aligned with your shoulders, and take your hands from side to side, rotating your spine and feeling how you release tension in your spine, chest, and shoulders. Shake off any stress, toxin, and negative energy. Now come back to center, release your hands on your thighs. Now take your right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you, ground them down, stretch your arms, and slowly push your knee to the front with your right arm, twisting your spine to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Feel the stretch and opening in your spine and left shoulder. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist further to the left. Release, come back to center and change sides. Left hand on right knee, right hand behind you. Ground them down, stretch your arms and slowly push your knee to the front with your left arm, twisting your spine to the right, looking over your shoulder. Again, feel the stretch and opening in your spine and right shoulder. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist further to the right. Release, come back to center. Take a moment to take a deep breath and connect to yourself. Now, take your left hand out to the side, right arm up and stretch it away from you, over your head. Breathe deeply and feel the opening in the right rib cage. Enjoy. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deep, exhale long and relaxing. Release and come back to center. Take both hands up, interlace your fingers, stretch your palms to the sky, grow tall and stretch your spine. Release. Right hand down, left arm up and stretch it away from you, over your head. Deep inhale, deep exhale through your nose. Enjoy the opening and stretch on the left side and release. Again, take one moment to focus and connect to yourself. Now place both feet on the floor, hip distance, and come to standing. Bending at your hips and grab opposite elbows, relaxing your arms and your head down. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Let your head be heavy. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply through your nose. Now gently sway side to side. Feel how your spine opens up and releases tension. Now we will proceed to do the breathing exercise we did at the beginning, but in movement. Bend your knees deeply, interlock your hands behind you and stretch your arms. Inhale deeply through your nose, look up, open up your shoulders. Exhale through your mouth, gently straighten your legs, fold forward and take your hands behind you, far from you. Inhale, bend your knees deeply, arch your back, stretch your arms back. Exhale, straighten your legs, fold forward and take your hands behind you to the sky. Now let's practice a couple more at your own rhythm. Inhale, look up, arch back. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Take one more sip of air. Exhale. Now release your hands down to the floor, bend your knees if you need to, and feel how much more relaxed and open you are. Let your head and arms be heavy. Now inhale, bend your knees a bit and slowly come up to standing with a round spine. Head comes up last, roll your shoulders back. Now close your eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale rich, nutritious, refreshing air. Exhale any stress, toxins, and unwanted thoughts or emotions. Now come to lay on your back. Bend your right knee, interlock your hands under your knee, and pull your knee to your right armpit, avoiding your rib cage, massaging your ascending colon and opening up your hip. Breathe deeply. Now, with your left hand, take your knee across to the left until it touches the floor. Stretch your right arm out to the side and look to the left. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Send the air to your belly and blow it up like a balloon. Feel the stretch down the right side of your body. Enjoy this stretch. Release, come back to center and switch sides. Bend your left knee, interlock your hands under your knee and pull your knee to the left armpit, avoiding your rib cage, massaging your descending colon and opening up your hip. Again, breathe very deeply. Now, with your right hand, take your knee across to the right until it touches the floor. Stretch your left arm to the side. Look to the right. Close your eyes and breathe very deeply. Once again, send the air to your belly and blow it up like a balloon. Feel the stretch down the left side of your body. Now release and come back to center. Hug both knees to your chest, rocking from side to side, massaging your lower back and kidneys. Slowly come to sitting position with your legs crossed and your hands on your thighs or your knees. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and thank yourself for having taken this time for you.
So this is the new rebooted you. From now on, take it easy.